Are you still fighting with a POS system from the last century? A monster in the closet that hums louder than your announcements? A system where changing one simple thing means calling in a team of expensive engineers? Introducing the revolutionary Matrixound IP PA system, which is the smartest upgrades you can make for your school, hospital, or business. The IP stands for Internet Protocol, and it works on the same network as your computers. One clean cable. That's it. The installation is faster, cleaner, and uses the network infrastructure you already have. Create, change, or delete any group of speakers you want with a few clicks on a computer. What you send is exactly what you hear, no matter how far away the speaker is. No hum, no buzz, just clarity. And you can schedule automated bells for your school, trigger pre-recorded emergency messages from your fire alarm system, or even make a live announcement to your office in London while you're on a business trip in New York, using your smartphone. While traditional PA systems are stuck in the past, rigid, messy, and limited, IP PA systems are the future. They are flexible, scalable, sound better, and are packed with smart features. You're leveraging the powerful computer network you've already invested in to create a communication system that works for you, not against you. It's the difference between a flip phone and a smartphone. So if you're planning a new building or are tired of fighting with your ancient system, it's time to ditch the copper and embrace the power of IP.